Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. You know, about 60% of the people who owe IRS tax debt right now cannot go ahead and pay their tax debt. By the way, I'm a former agent. I worked at IRS 10 years. I've been doing this a whole bunch of years. I got a whole team of like agents, blah, blah, blah. Let me tell you about the IRS Hardship program because you have to know about it. I used to put people in currently non-collectible and hardship when I was at Internal Revenue Service, and many people really don't understand the program. They say, "Oh, go, this is great. Let's put my case in hardship." But let me tell you what it really means so you know, because there's a pro and a con about it. A lot of clients call me and say, hey, I want to be put in hardship. I can't pay. Well, that's great. And many of people, you may be listening to this, that's our very lucky black cat. If you lay your eyes on that cat, you'll probably win the lottery. So anyway, just letting you know, hardship means that you can't pay the debt at this present time. So when I'd get a case at IRS, I'd look at your financial statements and says, there's no way this person's going to pay the debt. Let me put them in hardship. Well, that's really good. So, but penalties and interest still run. Your case goes into the IRS computer system, the K2 system. There's algorithms that are set there, and IRS will make the determination based on their current inventory. Right now, with not a lot of people there, that case is probably going to sit there longer than most because the algorithm brings the case back to the field. Now, there's two types of ways your case goes into hardship that people do not know about. Some people's case goes to hardship because an IRS agent looked at the case and determined it went there. Others, the IRS's computer looked at, they read different parts of your file and says, hey, I don't even want to go after these people. The computer did. They're not going to pay based on all the algorithms points that we have. So guess what? They didn't work your case. Now, what's going to happen to your case once it's there? Well, there's a chance the 10 years could expire and your case stay into currently non-collectible. Others will have a code on there, say it's code 67. That means when your adjusted gross income reaches 67,000, your case comes to the field. So I just want you to know when your case goes into hardship or currently non-collectible, it's good news, bad news. Penalties, interest continue to run, and you're never going to know when that case is going to come to the field, if in fact it comes to the field. By the way, this is the best time usually to submit an offer and compromise because many times, not all the time, many times IRS has determined, hey, these people can't pay the debt, so it may be a good time to accept an offer. I taught the offer and compromise program at IRS. If you need me, I can tell you stuff that other people can't. You may want to give me a subscription. I worked at IRS. There's a lot of people out there pretending to be experts in IRS, and in fact, they're not. Thank you very much. Give me a subscription. I appreciate you listening.